Did y'all scare them?
No.
Well, you can barely see them. They're blending in with the grass.
If you look closely, get the camera close to the ground.
Okay, don't move. They look like bugs on the ground.
But if you look at the camera closely, you'll be able to tell, right?
Mm-hmm. Hopefully.
I guess they're getting food for the babies for them to come out on the spring so they can go ahead and feed them. Right?
I guess so, yeah. Getting food while they can. I'm amazed there's so many. Oh, a lot of them are flying. Oh, let's see if I can see them better. There's no screen here.
Can you see them better?
Yeah. I'm amazed. They're so camouflaged.
I can't see any.
Hmm?
They're all flying away.
Yeah.
It's amazing how much birds there are, though.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen this much birds in my life. Especially up close. But most of them are staying. Mama, look right there.
I'm looking.
I want a pet bird.
Why would you want to put them in a little cage when you can enjoy them out the window?
Well, we would let it fly everywhere.
I don't think they'd be happy in a little cage.
But Mama, we would put bird stuff. We would make it a little bird house for it to stay in it inside. For like when Lisa's done taking her nap or something, but it would be up high.
Maybe we'll get some bird seeds and then you can just feed the birds outside.
Okay.
That would make them more happy.
And it would make their babies more healthier.
Mm-hmm.